Hi fellow traders, I'm making this video to share my USD JPY analysis with you. As you can see on this daily time frame that USD JPY has completed this AB equals CD pattern, which is a reversal pattern, and there is a chance of further upward continuation. So initial reaction has already taken place from this completion point. This completion point is precisely at this ABCD completion. You can see that this is the price level. So it came here, and then this was a very fast reaction, and this candle made a bullish engulfing candle. Sometimes such kind of reaction takes place in the market, not because necessarily a new trend is starting, but also because of profit taking. So if sell traders exited their sell positions here, market went to the upside. But if it was just a reaction caused by taking profit from the sell trades and closing the sell trades, it should have continued to the downside after this initial reaction. But it looks like USD JPY is reluctant to continue to the downside, whereas other currencies have recently gained against US dollar. For example, look at the USD CHF. It is continuing to the downside, and it also made a slightly lower low if we compare the new low from the low made on July 31. And situation is same on other major pairs like Euro USD also touched the high made on 31. So almost all major currencies including Euro, Pound, Australian dollar gained versus US dollar recently in last 3 days, but USD JPY seems to be reluctant to fall. It shows that if there will be any bullish force, it will help USD JPY to go up, and this reaction to the upside was not just a reaction caused by taking profit from the sell position. It may be a beginning of new swing to the upside. So we have this technical ABCD, we have this initial upswing, and now the price action of the last 3 days looks like just like a retracement against this initial bullish movement, and market may continue to the upside. So this is the technical part. Fundamental part. Now I'm coming to the fundamental part. If we look at the recent data from the US, such as manufacturing PMI, non-manufacturing PMI, ADP, NFP, we'll find that all these data are positive, and these data came, I mean to say that these data came came better than forecast. So it is expected that the non-farm payroll, which is going to be released on Friday, will also come better than forecast. So it will help USD JPY to go up. Now I'll take you the 4 hour time frame, and I'll show you where I have taken my position, and what is my target, and what is my stop loss level. So market came down to this 50% level, and then it created this hammer candle. This is a 4 hour candle, and right after completion of this candle, I took my buy position, and my stop loss is very small. I'm not risking much pips, so I'm just risking 23 pips in this trade. So my SL is right 1 pip below this low of this recent candle. So if price is not gonna go to rise from here, I'll exit the position just below this. So now you can see that the price is gradually trying to rise, but it's not rising with good speed, because you know the non-farm payroll is ahead on Friday and today, and this is end of Wednesday. So we have only 2 days, not exactly 2 days. This is 2 p.m. already, so roughly you can say we have 24 plus 18, so 24 plus 18, yeah, 42 hours to 42 hours to NFP. That's why market will all dollar pairs in the market will be moving slowly, maybe moving sideways, because you know this is a big news. Nevertheless, I've taken a position already, and I'll exit my position before NFP if price touches this line. This, you can look at this blue horizontal line. The price level is 105.946. It's already giving me 1:1 risk reward. You can compare the stop loss. Stop loss is 23 pips, and take profit is 40 pips. So it is giving me better reward compared to the risk. So I already exited my position here. So this is the area to exit the position before NFP if price comes here. Otherwise, I'll take this target. So here I'm going to shade this area. This will be the next nearest resistance zone for USD JPY. Very simple. This area is 61.8% of AB. So if I say this is the A, this is B, this is C, and then CD leg will be formed from here like this. It will go like this. So the very first destination will be this area, because this area is a confluence resistance zone made by 127.2% of the BC, that is this leg, and 61.8% of AB. So price may take a minor resistance here, and the ultimate destination will be here, AB equals CD. So if non-farm payroll will be slightly better or neutral, even neutral, price can at least come to this area, that is 106.76. So this will be my target if USD JPY doesn't reach my initial target here. What will happen if my USD JPY trade will be already closed at the profit around 105.946? I will just keep looking at the price action before until the release of NFP, and then if it will not look bearish, I will again enter buy position. Otherwise, if price returns to the downside, if it gets closed at the ASL, I will not trade even the NFP, because if there is no bullish sentiment prior to non-farm payroll, we cannot expect a bullish spike. And if this trade will be held during the release of NFP, let's say USD JPY goes sideways and it doesn't touch my SL or TP, and it stays somewhere between my SL and TP. Neither it touches 105.946 nor it touches 105.307, and if it stays inside this area, then I'll be holding this position. But I'll remove the SL, because any temporary spike can touch your SL. I'll rather look for the data, and data will be right there within 1 or 2 minutes, and I'll look for the initial action of 5 minutes to decide whether this non-farm payroll is really negative, because there are 3 data. One is unemployment rate, another one is a non-farm payroll data, and also there is hourly earning. So if there will be huge conflict in the data, maybe price action will be mixed. So I'll wait for 5-6 minutes to understand the final price action, and I'll make my decision accordingly. So there are 3 plans on the table now. This is the plan for the USD JPY trade, if it will still be running during NFP, and there are 2 other plans which I already explained. If it gets closed at ASL TP, if it gets closed at ASL, no trading of NFP. If it closes at TP before NFP, then I'll look at the further price development and an opportunity to enter buy again. So if I'll enter buy again, I'll make another video and I'll post. So that's all about trading USD JPY in line with the plan of trading non-farm payroll. So that's all about this video. Thank you for watching. Note that USD index is already oversold, so any positive data or news can help US dollar to recover at least a little for correction. So that will also favor the US dollar. So that's all. Thank you for watching.